Hello, yes. Here is your friend Mr. Koti Nageswar Rao. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we got to know about how can we send messages to our own WhatsApp number. Today, I have come up with one more new video, that is how to type bold, italic, strike through and different styles of text in the WhatsApp. Along with this, I'm going to share with you all a website which is providing different styles of pre-formatted text, and also a mobile application which is providing pre-formatted text that we can type and we can send messages to anyone through WhatsApp. Most of the people are using WhatsApp application to send messages to others, but sometimes we want to highlight the text, we want to underline the text, we want to send different styles of text, right? So why to wait? Let us know. First you need to open the WhatsApp application, and to whom you want to send, you can click on their contact number. And if you want to type bold text, you must use asterisk and the text whatever you want to type, that you can type in between the asterisk symbols, you can see. And if you want to send slanting text, you can use underscore and you can type the text that what you want to send in between the underscores, you can see here. And if you want to send the strike through text, you can use a symbol which is visible on the screen, you can see, you can observe. And if you want to send bold italic text, you can check here the way I am typing. In this way. And if you want to include all bold, italic, underline text, you can include in such a manner. See, in this manner you can use high, bold, italic, strike through text. And also if you want to change the style of the text, you can use the symbol 3 times. Observe the symbol that which I am typing, you can see the style of the text is changed, right? So these are the facilities that we can use, and we can make the text bold, italic, underline. Along with this, I'm going to show you a website which is providing pre-formatted text. Let us see. Open the Chrome application and you can type in the URL yaytext.com and search. You can see on the screen yaytext.com, that website is open. If you see here your text, so whatever the text you want to send, that information you can send, you can type here. And if you observe that the same text, you can see at the below it was showing in different styles: short strike through, long strike through, you can see long slash, tail strike through, underline, underline, low line, double underline. There are different types of formatted text is available. If you want to use the same text, any of the text, you can just simply click on copy and you can come back and you can open the application and you just paste it here and you can send. This is one feature, and there is one more feature, that is a mobile application which you can download from the Play Store. Let us see that application. You can see on my screen there is an application called Fonts, and this app link is given in the description box. You can click on that link to download this app. You can install that app. After installing the app, you can type a different formatted text. Your keyboard is going to be changed after installing that application, and you can see here there are different types of pre-formatted texts are available. You can use those pre-formatted texts, outline, and you can check here there are different types of styles they are provided. You can use this. You can see there are many text, circle, right? So if you want to use, you can use this color text. So in this way you can type different types of pre-formatted text. So hope this is very useful to you all, those who are using WhatsApp application. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notifications. Have a nice day. Thank you.